Welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, I'm going to explain about 10 key differences between product backlog and the sprint backlog. The content covered in this videos are: what is product backlog, an example of product backlog with an Excel template, what is sprint backlog, an example of sprint backlog with an Excel template, top 10 differences between product backlog and sprint backlog. Let us see what is product backlog. Product backlog is the list of requirements of the entire product that will satisfy the end user needs. Product backlog will be owned by the product owner. This term is used in agile projects to refer the requirements. Requirements will be captured in the product backlog in the form of user stories, features, and epics. If you want to know about what is epics, features, and user stories, please watch the video available in this channel. Product backlog will be ordered based on the business priority. Technical stories that is needed to enable the product feature also will be part of the product backlog. You can see an example of product backlog in this slide. This template is created using Microsoft Excel. User story is covered in the column 2, 3 and 4. User stories format will have a persona, action and the expected outcome. As per this example, the user story says, as a seller, I want to list the product in the portal so that I can sell the products online. The second user story is, as a traveler, I want to check the flight ticket availability so that I can plan my travel in advance. Each user stories will have a business priority. You can see must, should, could priority mentioned for each user story. This is from Moscow prioritization technique. If you want to learn about user story prioritization techniques, please check this channel, and I already posted a video on user story prioritization techniques. In the product backlog, each user story will have an estimation in story points. You can see the story point estimation for these three stories, that is 2, 8 and 21 respectively. User stories will be planned in each sprint by the team as part of sprint planning meeting. Once the team consider the user story for the implementation, the sprint number will be mapped for the user stories. In this example, you can see sprint number mapped for user stories as 3, 4 and 7. That is, the first user story is completed in the third sprint. Remaining stories are planned for the upcoming sprints. Current status of each user story also will be captured in the product backlog. As per this example, first user story is completed and the second user story is in work in progress and the third user story is yet to be planned. Hope this sample product backlog with an Excel template is useful to you. Now let us see what is sprint backlog. Sprint backlog is the subset of the product backlog that can be completed during the particular sprint. Sprint backlog will be owned by the development team to deliver the value at each of the sprint. Sprint backlog will have the technical task for the user stories. Estimation for the technical task will be in hours. Sprint backlog will be identified as part of sprint planning meeting. Let me explain the sprint backlog with an Excel template. You can see user stories in the column 2. The first user story is, as a seller, I want to be able to list the products in this portal so that I can sell the products online. As I mentioned, each sprint backlog will have the tasks. So for the first user story, we have identified the technical task. This will be used by the development team for the implementation. The first one is design the user interface for the product page. The second one is coding for product page. Then automate the test cases, do the code review. These are all the technical tasks. tasks will be assigned to the developers. So here you can see developer 1, developer 2 like that. Each task will have the effort estimation and the current status. So this is the sample sprint backlog. So this will have user story and the technical task related to the user story and the owner or the assignee of the task. Mostly it will be the development team, the task estimation in hours and the status. So this will be used throughout the sprint to see the status and complete the commitments. If you want the Excel template used in this video, please send a mail to jogocoaching@gmail.com. We will share the Excel template in email. Let me explain the top 10 differences between the product backlog and sprint backlog. The first one is product backlog is a master requirement document for the entire product. Sprint backlog is a subset of product backlog. Product backlog will be owned by the product owner because it's a master list for the entire product. Sprint backlog will be owned by the development team because it's a commitment for the particular sprint. Product backlog scope will cover the entire product vision. Sprint backlog scope will cover only for the sprint goal or the commitment. Product backlog contains user stories, epics, and features. Sprint backlog contains the user stories plus technical tasks. Epics and features will be split into user stories before coming for the team to create a sprint backlog. Product backlog will be estimated using the story points. Sprint backlog will have the technical task that will be estimated in hours. Product backlog will be created by the product owner and the development team. It's a collaborative effort. Sprint backlog will be created by the development team only because it's team's commitment. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification about future videos. Backlog refinement meetings will be used to create or refine the product backlog. Sprint planning meeting will be used to create the sprint backlog. In the product backlog, user stories will not be assigned to the development team members. But in sprint backlog, each user story and task will be assigned to the developers. Reprioritization and changes in the user stories will happen regularly in the product backlog item. So it's a live requirement list. Sprint backlog won't be changed frequently. Product backlog will be used to plan the release and product roadmap. Sprint backlog will be used to plan the sprint delivery scope. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, please click the like button and share with others. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to watch the future videos. Thank you.